trying this for takeaway. This is the menu. There's English, that's why we're ordering here. Dry pasta, wonton noodles, braised pork beef, vegetables, and soup. Let's order. This is how it looks inside. We're gonna order there for takeaway. There is the Chinese menu. What will we get? Wait and see. What did we get? Dried noodles, braised pork rice, tofu and century egg, and wonton noodle soup. Let's eat. Pahabol? Yes. This is the pork in flatbread. Yum yum. Eating time.